Oh no! My iPhone still runs on iOS 11. I want to get iOS 12. It's so cool with its features. But how can I get it? The official release is in September.
I installed it using my Apple developer account. But it cost me $99.
$99? That's too much.
Well, actually you don't have to pay $99. You can use Sylorix instead.
Sylorix? Does it bring iOS 12?
Yes, not only iOS 12, but more beta versions without the Apple developer account.
Wow, sounds great. That is what actually I was looking for.
Sylorix is fast and hassle-free. Above all, no technical knowledge is needed. Visit Sylorix.com and download iOS 12 today.
Enjoy iOS 12 with Sylorix.